Denzel. Whee! Can we go over here a bit? Come on, Otty. Where's the ball? Where's the ballie? Oh, there it is. Whee! Go on, Margie. Go on, Margie. Go on, Denzel.
Good boy.
Good boy, Denzel. Ah, lovely. Hey. Good boy, Otty. Ah, this is the
So where are you taking it now? They're going to take it up there again.
10th of September 2010. Whee! There she is, the Margie. Naughty girl. Naughty. There's Margot. Lovely Otty. Denzel. Little Denzel. Big feeties. Big, he just walked up there, Otty. He's a very fit boy. Whee! Margie, Denzel.
Oh, where's the ball then? Where's the ball?
Oh, come on, Denny. Look at Otty. Look at that Otty. Hey, Otty.
Hello.
Oh. Denzel, Margot. Denzel, Margie. Yes, I'm Otty. Ball just got left. Denzel, Margot. Come on, guys. Good boys and girls. Very good girl, Margie. Good boy, Denzel. Good boy, Otty. Denzel. Yeah, he's already sniffing Fanny, Denzel. Hello, darling. Already sniffing Fanny. Look at that. 14 weeks on Sunday and he's already
sniffing.
got at it. Hello, gorgeous.
Where's the ball? No, you know something up. All you puppies, come on.
Margot. Oh, mind her. Oh, she's got. Oh dear.